Question 7 of this exercise says find the perimeter of the adjoining figure which is a semicircle including its diameter. So we have to find the perimeter of a semicircle, and the perimeter of a semicircle is basically half of the circle, and we know that the perimeter is same as the circumference of the circle, and we know that the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. That is the circumference of circle. Now for semicircle, we just need to divide it by 2 because semicircle is half of a circle. So that equals to pi r. That is for semicircle. Now let's find the perimeter of this figure. So the perimeter of this figure will be pi r plus the diameter. The diameter is 10 centimeter, that is given in the question. Let's take pi as 3.14 and the radius of the circle is 5 centimeter. So it will be 3.14 multiplied by 5 plus 10. So it will be 15.7 plus 10, which is same as 25.7 centimeter. So that will be the perimeter of this figure.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.